In this guide, I'm going to explain who can you claim as a dependent on your tax return. So first, when it comes to tax, a dependent is someone you can legally claim on your return, and this can help you unblock on valuable tax credits. For example, if you have a qualifying child, you may be eligible for a child tax credit up to around $2,200, and you may be also qualify for additional credits for other dependents. Now, the IRS generally recognizes two main types of dependents: qualifying children and qualifying relatives. A qualifying child can be your son, daughter, grandchild, niece, nephew, or even a sibling. To qualify, they must be under 19 years old or 24 if they are a full-time student, unless they are permanently disabled. They also must live with you for more than a half year and cannot provide more than half of their own financial support. On the other hand, a qualifying relative can be a wider range of family members like parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, or even in-laws, basically anyone you financially support. They don't always have to live with you, but you must provide more than half of their support during the year. In some cases, even non-relatives can qualify, but they typically must live with you all year and meet strict IRS conditions, including income limits. There are also income rules to keep in mind, meaning a qualifying relative generally cannot earn above a certain threshold, otherwise, they may not be eligible to be claimed. Because of all these rules, it's important to carefully review your situation before filing. And if all of these sounds confusing, don't worry. When you use TurboTax, it will guide you step by step through the process and help you determine exactly who you can claim as a dependent so you don't miss out on any. So overall, dependents can include children, relatives, and in some cases, others who you support, and claiming them correctly can significantly increase your tax refund. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.